0.75 is to 3/4 as 0.8 is to blank. Okay, so kung mapapansin nyo, itong 0.75 and 3/4, yan ay magkaparehas. Dahil when we divide 3/4, 3 divided by 4, the answer is 0.75. So lagay lang tayo ng dalawang 0. We have dapat ang decimal. So 3 divided by 4, that is 0. 30 divided by 4, that is equal to 7. 7 times 4, 28. Subtract, we have 2. Bring down 0. 20 divided by 4, that is 5. 5 times 4, that is 20. So remainder 0. So therefore, 0.75, kinonvert lang natin sa fraction 3/4. So gagawin natin, 0.8, convert lang natin ito sa fraction. So 0.8, that is equivalent to 8/10. Okay, since meron lang tayong 1 decimal. So 8/10, wala sa choices, i-reduce natin to lowest term, divide both by 2. So therefore, we have 8 divided by 2 is 4, 10 divided by 2 is 5. So the correct answer is letter B, 4/5. Follow for more.